But today the governor did not announce any increased steps to require people to stay at home or to require more businesses to close.
ANSLEE Daniel found out not everyone is pleased with the governor on that front. ANSLEE?
Yeah, here at City Hall in Johnson City, there are no calls yet for a stay-at-home or shelter-in-place mandate. And today, Governor Lee said he has no plans to call that on a statewide level to force businesses to close and to make people stay at home unless it's absolutely necessary to leave.
We can stop the spread of COVID-19. Do your part.
Stay apart.
Governor Bill Lee and First Lady Maria launching the Do Your Part, Stay Apart campaign. The state's new public service campaign encouraging social distancing and staying at home to stop the spread of the virus.
At the end of the day, Tennesseans are going to have to take personal responsibility to protect the lives and the health of their neighbors.
But some say a PSA is not enough.
We have community spread here now, and that means that anyone that you see could possibly be infected with this virus.
Dr. BLAIR REECE with the QUILLEN College of Medicine says she'd like to see a stronger call to action, like a stay-at-home declaration similar to what's been enacted in at least 22 other states. A similar call expressed by Tennessee doctors signing an online petition. But at his Thursday news conference,
what's happening in a rural county or in your district is different than what's happening in downtown Nashville. And that's why you have different things going on across the state.
Governor Lee said he's not yet ready to issue a statewide requirement. For now, he seems content to let local governments decide what's best in their cities.
About 50% of our population are under, in this state, are under stay-at-home requirements, and those populations are in the most densely populated areas of our state, which is what makes sense.
Leaders here in the Tri-Cities also hesitant to issue a mandate.
The number of cases is going to increase as we take more tests, but the number of total cases we have up here is so much less than the Chattanooga and Memphis for sure, and the Davidson County, Nashville area. I hate to see us to have the same restrictions as these larger cities have.
Mayor Jenny Brock says she is working with other leaders to help make a unified decision.
Whatever we do, we feel like we need to do it as a region as well, because being a small city and you take some action, we're so close to each other that we want to do something that's effective.
Local leaders tell me they continue to consult with health officials daily before making any major decisions, and with numbers changing daily, they say that this is a decision that could change any day now. Live from City Hall in Johnson City, ANSLEE Daniel, News Channel 11.